occasionally, if an undermount sink is dropped in the box on end with enough force, these sides can bow inward. So all you do is set the sink on the floor like this, put your foot in the middle, and pull up as hard as you can, and then check to make sure that your accessories fit. You can put a straight edge along each flange. Sometimes it takes two people, depending on the metal, but typically we don't see this in stainless sinks. We would see it more in the softer metals like copper, brass, and bronze. It's that simple.